Imagine a world of stark beauty, where icy winds howl and snow blankets the landscape. This is the domain of two extraordinary creatures, the elusive snow leopard and the cunning Arctic fox. Separated by continents yet united by their adaptation to extreme cold, these animals captivate our imagination. The snow leopard, a ghost of the Himalayan peaks, embodies power and grace. Its smoky gray coat, patterned with rosettes, provides near-perfect camouflage against the rocky slopes. The Arctic fox, a master of disguise, roams the tundra far to the north. Its thick white coat, which turns brown in summer, allows it to disappear seamlessly into its surroundings. These animals, though geographically distant, share a remarkable resilience. They thrive in environments that would challenge the hardiest of creatures. Their stories are a testament to the power of adaptation, the delicate balance of nature, and the urgent need for conservation. Join us on a journey to explore the lives of these incredible animals, their unique adaptations, and the challenges they face in a changing world. Prepare to be amazed by the snow leopard and the Arctic fox, two icons of survival in the frozen wilderness. High in the Himalayas, where the air thins and temperatures plummet, lives the snow leopard. This elusive cat is a master of its environment, perfectly adapted to survive in a world of rock and ice. The snow leopard's range stretches across the high mountains of Central Asia, from Nepal to China and into Russia. The snow leopard's coat is a work of art, a blend of smoky gray and black rosettes that provide camouflage against the rocky slopes. Its fur is thick and long, offering insulation against the biting cold. The snow leopard's paws are wide and padded, acting like snowshoes to distribute its weight and prevent it from sinking in the snow. These adaptations allow the snow leopard to navigate steep slopes and treacherous terrain with ease. They are solitary creatures, rarely seen by human eyes. Their elusiveness has earned them the nickname Ghost of the Mountains, adding to their mystique. The snow leopard's survival depends on its ability to hunt prey such as blue sheep and ibex. These agile cats are perfectly equipped to thrive in their challenging, high-altitude home. Their story is one of resilience and adaptation, a testament to the power of nature to overcome adversity. Far to the north, in a land of perpetual ice and snow, lives the Arctic fox. This small canid is a master of survival, thriving in temperatures that would freeze most creatures solid. The Arctic fox is found throughout the Arctic Circle, from Canada and Greenland to Russia and Scandinavia. Its most distinctive feature is its coat, which changes color with the seasons. In winter, the Arctic fox is a brilliant white, blending seamlessly with the snowy landscape. This camouflage is crucial for both hunting and avoiding predators. As summer approaches, the Arctic fox's coat molts, transforming to a brown or gray hue that blends with the tundra vegetation. The Arctic fox's compact body and thick fur provide excellent insulation against the cold. Its short legs and muzzle, along with its bushy tail, help to minimize heat loss. These adaptations are crucial for survival in the Arctic, where temperatures can plunge to -50 degrees Celsius or -58 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. The Arctic fox is an opportunistic feeder, preying on lemmings, voles, birds, and even scavenging on carrion when necessary. Its cunning and adaptability have allowed it to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The Arctic fox is a testament to the power of evolution, a creature perfectly sculpted by nature to conquer the frozen north. Despite their shared existence in icy realms, the snow leopard and the Arctic fox have evolved strikingly different physical adaptations to conquer the cold. The snow leopard, much larger than the Arctic fox, relies on its powerful build and thick fur for warmth and agility in mountainous terrain. Its wide paws act as natural snowshoes, preventing it from sinking into deep snowdrifts. This is crucial for pursuing agile prey like blue sheep across treacherous slopes. In contrast, the Arctic fox, smaller and more compact, has perfected the art of insulation. Its thick, multi-layered fur, along with its short legs and muzzle, minimizes heat loss, allowing it to conserve energy in the unforgiving Arctic climate. Unlike the snow leopard, which relies on bursts of speed, the Arctic fox can endure long periods of inactivity, conserving energy until prey is detected. Their contrasting adaptations highlight the diversity of solutions nature provides for survival in extreme environments. The snow leopard, with its powerful physique, embodies the strength needed to conquer the heights. The Arctic fox, a master of insulation and energy conservation, demonstrates the resilience required to thrive in a land of perpetual cold. Section 5. Masters of Stealth Hunting Strategies in Frozen Worlds. The snow leopard and the Arctic fox, separated by vast distances and contrasting landscapes, share a common strategy for survival: stealth. Both animals are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings to ambush unsuspecting prey. The snow leopard, with its rosette-patterned coat, becomes almost invisible against the rocky slopes of the Himalayas. It lies in wait, patiently observing its surroundings for any sign of movement. The Arctic fox, cloaked in its white winter coat, disappears against the backdrop of snow and ice. Its keen sense of hearing allows it to detect the movements of lemmings and voles tunneling beneath the snow. With a swift pounce, the fox bursts through the snow, securing its meal. Their hunting techniques, honed by millennia of evolution, are perfectly adapted to their respective environments. The snow leopard, a solitary hunter, relies on power and precision to bring down large prey. The Arctic fox, more opportunistic, uses a combination of stealth, cunning, and a diverse diet to survive in its challenging habitat. The snow leopard, more than just a master hunter, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the Himalayan ecosystem. As an apex predator, it regulates prey populations, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the health of the entire food chain. The presence of snow leopards indicates a healthy ecosystem, one teeming with biodiversity and ecological stability. Their impact extends beyond their predatory role. Snow leopards often cache their kills, leaving behind food sources for scavengers like vultures and foxes. This natural recycling of resources is essential for the health of the entire ecosystem. The snow leopard, a symbol of the high mountains, embodies the interconnectedness of life in these extreme environments. Their presence ensures the well-being of countless other species and the health of the fragile Himalayan ecosystem. Protecting snow leopards means protecting an entire web of life that depends on their presence. The Arctic fox, a master of adaptation, plays a vital role in the Arctic tundra ecosystem. As an opportunistic omnivore, it adapts its diet to the availability of food sources, consuming lemmings, voles, birds, fish, berries, and even scavenging on carrion. This adaptability is crucial for survival in an environment where food sources fluctuate dramatically with the seasons. The Arctic fox's role extends beyond its own survival. Their dens, often dug into hillsides or snowdrifts, provide shelter for other animals, including Arctic hares and ptarmigan. They also contribute to seed dispersal by consuming berries, their droppings helping to spread seeds across the tundra. The Arctic fox, though small in size, plays a significant role in the health and biodiversity of the Arctic tundra. Their adaptability, resilience, and ecological connections make them an integral part of this fragile and vital ecosystem. Both the snow leopard and the Arctic fox, despite their remarkable adaptations, face an uncertain future. Habitat loss, climate change, and poaching threaten their survival. The snow leopard, already elusive and living in fragmented populations, is particularly vulnerable to these threats. As human populations grow and encroach upon their habitat, snow leopards face increased competition for resources and conflict with humans. The Arctic fox, while not currently endangered, faces challenges from climate change. As temperatures rise, the tree line advances northward, shrinking the Arctic fox's tundra habitat. Additionally, the decline in lemming populations, a key food source, further threatens their survival. Conservation efforts are underway to protect both species. Organizations like the Snow Leopard Trust and the Arctic Fox Project work tirelessly to monitor populations, protect habitat, and educate local communities about the importance of conservation. The snow leopard and the Arctic fox, each a symbol of resilience in the face of adversity, serve as powerful reminders of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Their fate is intertwined with our own. As we witness the impacts of climate change and habitat loss, it's crucial to recognize our role in their future. We can all contribute to their conservation by supporting organizations dedicated to their protection, reducing our carbon footprint, and spreading awareness about the challenges they face. By learning about these incredible creatures, we become their advocates, raising our voices to ensure their survival for generations to come. Let the stories of the snow leopard and the Arctic fox inspire us to become better stewards of our planet. Their survival depends on our actions today. Let's work together to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come.